Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are finally opening the February's Earfleek. This is just a monthly earring subscription. It costs us $3.49, so it's like the cheapest subscription out there. And you do get one pair of earrings. You really don't get no spoilers or no sneak peeks or anything like that. They do bill you on the 15th of the month, and on the 15th, they pretty much send your package out, normally no later than the 16th. But sometimes it does, I guess, where it's like, it says it's first class mail, but it could take up to 2 weeks to get here. I've been with them probably for about a little over a year now. Last month, my earrings got busted, and I did get a hold of them. They sent me a new pair. I did an update video on that. I'd always heard really bad things about their customer service, but I was very surprised. They emailed me right back and everything and sent them right out. So we are going to get into this month's. This is like their new packaging. I guess they're like upgrading. We're probably doing better. And here is the back of it. I did pull it loose so I didn't have to struggle. So on the inside is this little pink bag that says Earfleek on both sides. Kind of reminds you like how Ipsy used to be until they went like a peachy pink. I ain't done the inventory in a while, so I really don't know what I'm going to get. So here's a little card so you can refer a friend. So we'll lay that to the side. And this month, since last month they started putting them in these little baggies, which is cute. But for $3.49, I really don't expect them like to do all this. Oh my. Okay, this is so funny. So they do have a tag in here. It says Earfleek on this side. It says $4 US. This is it focusing? $15.99. Okay. So, anybody that watched mine that got smashed last month, they sent the same earrings. I remember the fabric, this part was completely shattered. This month they came in peace. But these are the ones that they actually sent me last month. That is so bizarre. But at least they didn't get broke this time. Okay, so we do have to clean them. We will do a try on. Always, always, before ever putting earrings in your ears, to take alcohol and clean your earrings, because you don't know where they've been and you could get an infection. Okay. I don't know how I feel about these earrings. I thought last month I was really glad I didn't get stuck with them. They have like a purple spot in them. Huh. Where's it? Of course, I dropped one. Look, they do. Some of the fabric's got like a purple tint to it. So I don't really know how I feel about these. It's not something I would pick out for myself. So, they kind of, like the purple matches my eyeshadow. So, that's always a plus. So, I don't know. I know last month, the balls of it was like shattered to hundreds of pieces. It was like the worst. But I don't really know how I feel about these. They feel like this one's like, it's like they need to be either fluffed up or have something, I don't know, fix the fabric, because this one don't really look like it. It's got a piece stuck out and it don't want to go in. You can probably lay something on there, but be careful, because if anybody got a pair like this, be careful, because this part will shatter. It is cheap plastic. So I don't know what's causing it to lay like it. I see. It's twisted up in here. But you could probably lay something on there or try to get it untwisted. Probably just lay something on it. I don't know. They're cute, but they're just really not me. Um, I do like weird earrings, but these are like a little too weird for me. I really don't like the fabric. If I think if the fabric was something else, not like black and purple and white, and I don't know, I think I'd like them better. But these just don't. I don't know. It's just not me. Um, but that's what you get for not picking the inventory. They do have like an inventory you can go through every so often for earrings they do have in their store or facility, and you can tell them if you swipe this way if you like it, this way if you don't. So I think I need to do that because these just aren't me. I could clean them and gift them to somebody because I just don't. I don't think I'm going to get no use out of them. They're just not my style. But who knows? Maybe I'll find an outfit that it really goes with. My eye feels like I took a 4-wheeler ride and I've got something in my eye. But I mean, I'm alright with the earrings. For $3, I'll probably just gift them to somebody. It's really no big deal. And but if you would like to try Earfleek for yourself, I will leave the link down below. Um, Normally this one says, let me see. I know it used to be like your first, like when I signed up, you got your first pair half off, which ended up being like $1.75. This one is free pair of earrings, includes free shipping. Go to earfleek.com, choose subscription type. So, and use this code. So I'll just do this and you will get a free pair of earrings. I'll just leave all this information down below so that if you want to try it, you can get a free pair of earrings. Go try it yourself. So I'll just leave all that information down below. And really, I guess that is it. I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you will be notified when I do upload, which is every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And sometimes I do like bonus videos during the week, like when my subscription boxes are coming in. And I have Wednesday, if nothing happens, this is what's going to be on. I actually done 2 looks with this, so that's what's coming out Wednesday. I've already got it filmed, edit, and everything. But I got this, and I figured I'd go ahead and get this out before I done it. I actually done 2 eye looks, one on each eye. I made a killer look yesterday. Didn't even take a picture of it, but I've been like using this every day since I got it. I am in love with it. But I guess that's it, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye for now.